Good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, guys, if you've not subscribed, please do so. Click on that subscribe button, like and share. Now we would want to take a look at the movement on our gold. We would want to see where this gold will be moving for the next day. So if we're following this channel consistently, we would see how we predicted this bullish move on our gold, right? And why we are currently here, we are currently trading at a level of 1,777, by the way. So gold, we are currently trading at a level of 1,700, plus on gold. So I've told you guys previously that this our gold, right? I've done weekly analysis on it, right? And I told you that we are still on a bullish move on our gold. So about yesterday, which is about 14, kind of opened and closed bullish, right? Today, which is 15, we actually opened and closed bullish. Now 16, I personally believe we would actually open and close bullish. I still believe that gold will actually give us a bullish move. Now I'm going to tell you the reason why I say so. First of all, I want us to include this moving average, which is 10 period moving average, right? We all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once the price is above our moving average, it is a buy, we have to go long, right? But if it is below it, it is a sell, we have to short it, right? So we clearly can see that, first of all, this is above our moving average, so it is a buy and we have to go long, right? We would now want to see this price actually get to a level where price has reacted to previously, and we will be able to align some level here. We saw that price has once come to this level. We saw price came to this level, rejected by bouncing up, right? We saw price actually came to this same level again, rejected, bounce up, right? We saw price also came to this same level again, right? Once price kind of roll up, we saw it came to this level and bounced down, dropped, right? So I am still aiming at this level on our gold that price will definitely have to get to before it reacts, which is a level of 1,800. So guys, until our gold gets to a level of 1,800, we won't be getting any pullback. So we would want to see this gold actually roll up to a level of 1,800 before a bearish move might occur, or a pullback will occur on gold. I don't know how you call it or how you want to see it, but this gold, we would continue to go bullish day by day till it actually gets to a level of 1,800, right? So we saw price rejected here at this level, came to this level, rejected. We saw it came to this level, rejected. We saw it came to this level, rejected, right? And we are seeing it come to the next level, right? And we want to see get to this level before it's rejected. One thing is that if price has reacted to a level previously, right? It has gotten to a level previously and it has reacted to that same level previously, and price is close to that level, there's huge probability or possibility that price will definitely get to that level again, and it will also react at that same level. So there's huge possibility that this price will continue to move up to this level of 1,800 and then give us a pullback, which will be bearish. So XAUUSD, we are still on a bullish move. So have that in mind. Now let's take a look at this for our time frame, right? So for our time frame, we would want to place this trade on the 4-hour time frame. What is the trend on the 4-hour time frame? Clearly, this is a bullish move on gold, right? So you can take a look at these highs. We can take a look at these highs. Here would be the correction on gold. Here would be the new highs, and here is the correction on gold. Here would be the new highs. Here would be the correction on gold, right? So those of you that have taken a buy on this your gold, you can continue to go long. So this would be a new highs. I believe price should be able to move further up before a correction. Maybe once the correction has been made, then you can go long on this gold. So gold, we are still on a bullish move. If you notice this, there's a little pullback that has occurred here, which tapped this moving average. So now that it has hit this moving average, it is now time for us to actually go long on this our gold. So gold, we are still on a bullish move. And secondly is that we can take a look at this USD index, right? So we can take a look at this USD index. You can see the full trend on this your USD index. We are going bearish. As we are going bearish on our USD index, then be expecting a bullish move on our gold. So we can take a look at this lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So we can take this as a pullback. After this pullback, we would be expecting another bearish move on this USD index or DXY. So as this USD index or DSY is giving us a bearish move, then we would see a reverse movement on this our gold to USD, meaning as USD index is giving us a bearish move, then we would see a rise or bullish move on our gold. So gold, we would still want to see a bullish move for the next day.